Hey everybody, Steve from OpenBOM, and welcome to a super sneak peek of July 2022 release of OpenBOM for Onshape. And if you pay close attention, you'll probably see a few other things in here, but I want to point out a new feature, creating derivative files, steps, and STLs of everything in your Onshape design. So I just told OpenBOM to build a bill of material and include in it a step and an STL for every part and assembly that's in my design. So I click the BOM button, I get those automatically generated. You know how long it can take to do that manually. And check this out, I'm going to export my BOM as a PDF file, and I'm going to include in the zip file all the STLs and steps that go along with it. I'm just going to download this thing. Let's take a look at what we get here. You're going to love this. Here is a zip file that contains, for every part in my design, the step and STL file, as well as PDF of the BOM. So I know that you and your suppliers are going to love that. That's the July 2022 release of OpenBOM for Onshape.